But after lubricating and still doesn't want to latch. See, the other side is easy. See how it's locked here, and this is not latching. Yeah, I finally was able to take it out. This is the sensor. This is the not sensor. This is that latch. With the sensor, there's a that wire is for sensor. This is a line. I have to check. It was kind of easy to take this off only, and I have to find out what to do with this, because it doesn't have one hand only. Okay, so this is, I have to find out what to do. Maybe I do it in one hand. There is a open position. Now when I click with that here, closed, locked, and all I have to do to unlock it is just push this. Oh, see, this is probably only a matter of lubrication. I lubricated everything and it should work. Okay. So now the solution is simple. If you have the same situation that doesn't latch, you have to lubricate the latch from here. Here and here is a spring, and here is another spring on both sides, and now it's easy. Now look, it's latched. One latched, another one, and see that click? Oh, here the click, everything is unlatched. So, just to save your time and frustration, just to lubricate the latches. Thanks for watching.